And let's get you some of the takeaways from the Supreme Court hearing. The ICSE and Cbse results could be declared together by mid-July. The Supreme Court has passed the order giving the nod to Cbse to issue this notification. ICSE in principle agrees to issue similar notification as given in the affidavit. The ICSE has told Supreme Court that they will put forth a formula for marks calculation on their website in 1 week, and they may consider conducting an optional exam for class 10 as well. In fact, the ICSE's averaging marks formula is different from that of the Cbse. Let's take this across to Anisha Mathur for more details. Anisha, if you could just break down for us what exactly was mentioned in the Supreme Court. The top court has passed the order giving the nod for the Cbse to pass a notification. But what is the procedure that's been mentioned by the Cbse and the ICSE?
Well, the Cbse has in its affidavit given a very clear procedure for the way they are going to be calculating the marks. First of all, of course, the main difference between the Cbse and ICSE is that the Cbse will give take the assessment for class 10th on the basis of the internal assessment that has already been given. For class 12, the results have been, the assessment scheme has been given that for.
Apologies, we've lost that connection with Anisha. She was just getting us details of the Supreme Court order. Anisha, if you're back with us, go ahead.
Well, as I was saying, for the Cbse in its scheme has said that for the students who appeared in more than 3 subjects, the average of the marks obtained in the best 3 subjects will be given for as marks for the subjects in which they have not appeared. If somebody has appeared in 3 or less than 3 subjects, the averaging system will be this of the 2 best performing subjects will be given for the 3rd and 4th subject. But the Cbse has also said that there are some students, particularly in Northeast Delhi, who have appeared in only 1 or 2 subjects because of the riot situation in Delhi. Their results will be declared based on the performance in the internal exams or practical project assessment. They will also be allowed to appear in the optional examinations conducted by the Cbse if they desire to do so. So it is very clear that the Cbse has made it very clear that only for the students who have appeared in only 1 or 2 subjects, only those students will be given the option to give the paper again. What is also important is that Cbse has told court that they do not know by when these fresh papers may be conducted, and therefore, in fact, the court has noted that if the situation about the coronavirus does not become conducive even by September or October, it is possible that those students will have to be given a different assessment system because their exam may or may not be able to be held. So that is something that will be decided once the coronavirus situation becomes a little better in the country. However, both the Cbse and the ICSE are scheduled to now give their results for both class 10th and 12th by July 15th. Okay. The ICSE is also going to put its assessment system on its website within 1 week. And the court has made it very clear that no petitions regarding the results scheme or marking scheme, etc., will now be entertained in any high court on these issues which have already been decided. Any other issue that can come up later with regard to admissions in the colleges, etc., could come up later.
All right, Anisha, thank you for summing up all that's happened in the Supreme Court on this issue.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.